Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be reviewing Videoleap 5. I have been seeing this wig all over YouTube, so I decided to pick it up and I'm trying Flamboyage chocolate. I'm trying the chocolate one. Interesting to say the least. We're gonna get into that, but in the meantime, stay tuned. So I plucked a little bit from the hairline. I kind of calmed down. It wasn't bad, but it was kind of dense. So now it's a little bit better, mimics my hairline better. Even though clearly it's a wig, but you know, I won't even use the word natural because, you know. But we're not gonna be giving George Washington, you know. We're gonna be giving Tay, you know, not even Tay. We're gonna be giving Slay, period. So I ripped my part, y'all. Like, not even ripped, I kind of like jackhammered my part. You can't even tell on my blockhead, but I went in. So anywho, I'm gonna go in. I have my Infinity Pro Conair hot comb that I got from Target on the setting between 1 and 5. I'm filming on my iPhone because I do have a camera, but I'm kind of scared to use it because I don't know the settings. I've just been playing around with it. So for the time being, you are getting iPhone footage. Yay! I'm gonna brush the baby hairs to the front and hot comb the hair going back. Right. This is what we have right now. So you see how it is flat at the top, and it already came with the baby hairs curled. We have a flat part, and I like my part not perfect. It looks more quote-unquote natural to me. And yeah, let's put her on and see what she's giving.